Hi, my name is Victor. I am the resident restaurant consultant for Waiterio. I am here to help you build a successful restaurant. Today I'll tell you about the importance of a restaurant's concept, about some trending concepts, and I'll share some tips on how to choose the right concept for your business. Let's begin. First of all, what is the concept of a restaurant? The concept of a restaurant is often defined as its style, but that is a very vague definition. The concept of a restaurant involves many factors, from its business model to its decoration and name. It can easily be said that the concept is what really defines every aspect of the restaurant in question. Some simple and famous concepts are fast food restaurants, casual restaurants, haute cuisine restaurants, fusion, healthy or sports food restaurants, family restaurants, vegan or vegetarian restaurants, and the list goes on. Each of these types of restaurants has different types of decoration, dishes, prices, and more. Of course, there are many types of restaurants with more extravagant concepts, like for example, a restaurant where waiters insult you. Although I would like to say that it is a joke, this idea has been used. A Google search will show you that there are dozens of pizza places, hamburger places, and franchises in any developed area of the world. That is proof that some concepts have already been overexploited, which makes it important to choose the right concept. In fact, choosing the right concept may be what determines your success or failure as a restaurant owner. Highly creative concepts can turn small restaurants and creative ideas into international gastronomic destinations. You can achieve a remarkable level of success, even if it's just local, by trying to be unique enough to build a base of customers. Here are some of the most unique restaurants around the world. Signs, a Canadian restaurant that was created to support the deaf community. In it, you'll be able to order your meals using sign language to communicate with the waiters. You'll also be able to enjoy sign language games, a nice environment, and more that can become a very interesting experience for a night out. Dinner in the Sky, a very interesting restaurant concept for daredevil customers. This restaurant allows you to dine while looking at the best sight the city has to offer. Also, they travel around the world offering this interesting fine dining and high-end experience, pun intended. Exotic restaurants. The restaurant, The Grotto, is located in a limestone cave on Penang Beach. This romantic restaurant is part of the luxurious Rajavati complex, but is open to all who wish to enjoy delicious fresh food and a stunning atmosphere. You can feel the sand under your feet and admire a beautiful view of the sea. All of these concepts are different from the previous one, and they are all incredibly successful. Now the million-dollar question: how to choose a concept for your restaurant? The concept of your restaurant is basically what establishes its operating rules. To choose or create a restaurant concept, you can change as many aspects of your business as you want to reflect a specific idea. Some of them are renaming the dishes appropriately, choosing specific decorations, create suitable promotions, use electronic signs, artwork, and other graphic elements to maintain your concept. Train your staff to provide the appropriate level of service, for example, teaching waiters about wines or getting a sommelier for haute cuisine restaurants. Giving your restaurant a memorable name that indicates its concept. Create an appropriate marketing strategy that highlights the concept. At the end of the day, you can play with each of the aspects of your restaurant to create a totally original experience for your diners, from the moment they find out about your business until they taste your food. Here are 3 tips to choose the concept of your restaurant. First, choose a concept that withstands the passage of time. If you pick a vague concept like a restaurant about a new movie or a meme, it may not last long before it goes out of style. That's why common restaurants that seem to have no notable concept don't go out of style so quickly and update different aspects more easily. The second tip is to choose a sustainable and profitable concept. This is closely related to the business model you want to establish in your restaurant. Concepts that are not sustainable or profitable, such as a restaurant that sells ice cream in the middle of a desert, a restaurant that sells only $5,000 dishes, or a restaurant that sells only $1 dishes, will probably not survive long. The third tip is to choose a concept that is trending and complies with previous tips. For example, a vegetarian and vegan haute cuisine restaurant, which is also Asian fusion food, would be a great concept. Why? Because haute cuisine never goes out of style. And on top of that, vegan, vegetarian, and Asian food are trending. Bonus tip. It is very important that you choose a concept that is viable in your area. If you live in a small town where there is no pizza place or fast food restaurant, creating a high-end fine dining restaurant is probably not the best business decision. There is no doubt that choosing a concept for your restaurant is vital to creating and maintaining a profitable business. Which of those tips do you think is the most important? Leave a comment with your answer. If you like this type of content and you find it useful, leave us a like and subscribe. We'll be creating more videos like this to help you build a successful restaurant. Also, that way you can help us help more people like you who want to improve their businesses. Until next time.